Greta Cutulenco, CEO here at Acerta. I'm here to ask you some questions about some new features that we just launched or some improved features to root cause analysis and LinePulse. For those who don't know, root cause analysis uses algorithms to point to the root cause of a test or inspection failure in their process by looking at the upstream data that's correlated to that failure, drastically shortening problem resolution time. So, can you tell me what are the improvements that we launched this week?
Yeah, happily. So the cool part that we've launched is AI-based explainability for our root cause investigation software, where customers can now and users can now get AI generated summary and explanation of what they're seeing in the report, how to interpret it, and how to act on it. And then we also added an AI-based capability that can look back at similar root cause investigations in the past and quickly bring those up so that if you're doing a current investigation of a problem on the line, you can right away get a sense of, hey, have we had similar issues in the past and what was done at the time to fix those?
Gotcha. Okay. So let's take a look at feature improvement number one, if you wouldn't mind sharing your screen and we can have a look at the AI explainability of the results.
For sure. So here I am inside of some of the RCA, so our root cause analysis historical reports. Now, I won't go through how we're running root cause and how to generate these. You can probably see that in some of our other videos, but I will pick up and throw on the screen here one investigation just to show you some of the new features. So in this example, again, you get a lot of data around how to resolve some of the end-of-line target failures, as well as the system basically automatically picks up in-process variation that's leading to the problem that you're investigating, which is really powerful on its own. But the challenge, of course, is, you have to be an experienced engineer to start to interpret these things, to start to look at how things varied over time, how things are varying across your production. So what we have done is actually use AI and generative AI to take a look at the results and help interpret these, really to make it more accessible, not just to your experienced engineers, but even to engineers that might be just starting out on your line, who haven't had as much exposure historically and experience to the problems on this production process, and maybe would like some help understanding what do they make out of it. So as part of the feature, we're really explaining what they're seeing as the main contributors to the problem, what could be the insights they can gain and what they could do about the issue, and really help interpret the results of the underlying AI analysis, kind of with this new secondary layer of AI that's looking at the graphs, looking at the data, but really is summarizing it in real natural language where you can just read through the results and really understand, okay, what can I do about it? So this really helps take that knowledge base across your investigations and then leverage that over time to make it available for quicker interpretations and quicker action. And the second thing we often hear from customers is that, well, hey, I ran this report, but were there other issues similar in the past? What has my team done about them? And can I really just, maybe redo the same fix or the same change that maybe helped in the past? So what you can see at the bottom here is that we can actually now use AI also to take a look at historical root cause investigations and highlight the ones that are similar in the past, that were targeting a similar problem, and had effective resolutions in the past. And so as you saw here, I just clicked on the button and our system took a look at historical runs and pulled up four different investigation reports here that were relevant to this similar issue, where one was done earlier in September, let's say, and some were done earlier in the year. So basically within April or maybe even last year, actually. So this way you can take a look at any historical problem, go back to that investigation, learn what was done, see what was the issue then, compare it to your current issue, and really this way, again, speed up significantly how quickly you can resolve your current problem.
Okay, thank you so much, Greta, for sharing that. We are so excited to have it launched this week and to provide more exciting updates to the platform for our customers to help them solve manufacturing issues.